It is 1:22 p.m. Tuesday afternoon, January 17th, 2023. We're at the Metra Downers Grove Main Street, Illinois station. That was westbound Metra train 1229 departing Downers Grove Main Street, headed to Aurora, Illinois, making all stops in between. Next will be Belmont, then Lisle, then Naperville, then Route 29, not Route 59, and then Aurora. The train 1229 originated at Chicago Union Station. We're looking west down the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway all the way Chicago subdivision, also known as the racetrack in the East End. And now we're looking at the original real McCoy Downers Grove Main Street, Chicago Burlington.